What's up, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. As you guys read in the title of this video, I just wanted to go over and share with all you guys how I made $200 today day trading JDST. So if for those of you guys that are new to my channel, what I pretty much do is swing trade the stock market and sometimes day trade it if I find value in the particular stocks and ETFs that I find. So this particular platform right here is Think or Swim by TD Ameritrade. This is what I personally use to analyze all my stocks, and I highly recommend it to everybody out there that's new to the stock market, new to investing. It's very helpful to analyze stocks and better understand how the stock market moves. So let's hop right into the topic of this video. Like I said, guys, I made $200 profit today day trading JDST. And if you guys watched my video yesterday, actually, I mentioned that JDST and Gush were the top two ETFs that I'm currently watching. And JDST is one that I actually got in this morning at $54.70. So I want to tell you guys exactly how I saw value in JDST and my position in particular. So for those of you guys that are new, JDST is an ETF, right? It's a gold-based ETF. So it performs according to how gold futures perform, right? This is /GC, gold futures, and whenever gold futures do poorly, JDST does well. So let's hop right into the 180-day chart here, and I could show you what I was talking about in yesterday's video. So we see that it topped off here at $1,365, and this is a clear resistance level right here for gold futures. We see that it hit this again at $1,365, and we see a kind of a downward staircase pattern right here, right? We see a $1,365, then we see a $1,343, then we see a $1,325, then we see a huge spike up right here, right? Where it bounced off of that resistance level at $1,340, and then we started to see a downtrend from here. And this is actually exactly where I looked at JDST and decided to put money into it. So if we go back to JDST, right, and we look at the 180-day chart, which we're in right here, and we zoom into this past couple of weeks right here, we see that there's a familiar pattern performing with JDST. We see that it spiked up to $55 or $60 rather, went back down to $54, back up to $60, right back down to $54, right? And this is the potential that I saw with this particular investment. So it went back down to $54, $53, which actually acts as a decent support level right here, right? And we saw that the gold futures itself started to form that downtrend. And like I said, whenever gold futures /GC does poorly, right, JDST does well. So we saw that dip in gold futures, and then we saw the sudden uptick in JDST. So if we go back to the 1 day, 1 minute analysis, I'll show you guys exactly where I got in. Like I said, I waited till market open. I bought in my position at about, let's say, like 9:40, 9:30 this morning. I got in right at this little dip right here, right at this little dip, 54.75. I went in with a $4,000 position, and I actually rode it all the way up. Right, I saw this continuous bull run, this continuous uptrend throughout the first 1 or 2 hours of market open, and then I start to see it level off right here, and that's where I actually took my profits when it broke below the 1-day EMA line. I decided to just take profits, $200 profit, $4,000 position, about 5 to 6% gain for the day. That's very, very, very good. And I just wanted to share with you guys that it's very possible to make consistent income trading the stock market, trading ETFs, and just finding intraday play value in these different ETFs and capitalizing on them, right, guys? So I took my profits right here once it broke down below the EMA line, and from there, guys, you see that it's been like slowly trending downwards, right? But I still see more value in JDST, but my original plan with this was to treat it as a day trade, and that's exactly what I did. But it also offers some opportunity, as a swing trade as well. If you're trying to swing trade JDST, which is not what I'm particularly trying to do here, there's potential for it to go anywhere from $60 to $62, but I just wanted to be safe with this particular position and cover my profits, and that's exactly what I did. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Make sure to do your own due diligence when you're trading these stocks, guys. Do not trade these solely off of my opinion or anybody else's opinion, because that's how you will get screwed in the stock market. Trust me 100% on that. So follow me on Instagram at Stas_surfs_entrepreneurship. The link should be down below in the description. Let's make some money today, guys. Peace.